In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the supply and demand curve in the 2023 question 18. So, for the Junior Cycle Business Studies. So, it was part of a long question, and here we have a diagram which shows the supply and demand curves for Apple iPhone 14. And we can see, okay, for example, if we just take a look, like say for example, when the price is 1600, this is demand curve, the demand is 20 million, okay? But if the price went down, you can see that the demand is going up because more people will be able to buy it, okay? You can also see that when Apple could charge €400, they wouldn't supply as many as what they would make if they were getting 1600 for it. So the higher the price, the more that Apple are going to produce, because it makes sense, because they're going to get more profit. So let's read the question. Number 1, use the above diagram to answer each of the following questions. Write your answers in the spaces provided. So indicate the equilibrium quantity demanded of the iPhone 14. So equilibrium is where the 2 points meet. So it's where the supply curve and the demand curve meet. So the equilibrium quantity, okay, so the quantity is down here, and there it is 80 million units. Okay, so it'll be 80 million units. Indicate the equilibrium price. So the equilibrium price is €1,000. And then indicate the quantity demanded of the Apple iPhone 14 at €1,600. So the quantity demanded, so we're looking at the demand curve there, and it is 20, and obviously the answer is 20 million, okay? But they were happy enough for you to just write 80 and 20, but 80 million and 20 million would also be correct. Okay, so that is the 2023 supply and demand curve complete.